The main focus of the song is actually the beat. I created this beat by sampling a song called Never Never by a fellow South African DJ named Sanele Sithole. This is how it sounds. I really liked how it sounded. It sounded a little timeless. It sounded really nice. So let's get on to it. The first thing I added in this beat was this 808. The 808 sounds. No, I added the rim. This is how the rim sound. I don't know why I said I added the kick, but I added the rim there. This is how it sounds. The next thing I added was the hi-hat. This is how it sounds. Yeah, also nothing special there. Just a couple of rows there and there. And then the next thing I added was this filler snare. But the pack is barely noticeable, but I liked it. And then I added another one. This is how the open head sounds like. What I did next is what I always do in making these songs is I muted the drums and then I began to freestyle. This is how the vocal sound.
Yeah, I put those bitches on scene. She keep me spinning my wheel. I will not give her a wheel. Yeah, when all of her friends in the beat pull to the side of the beat, I can tell them to be weak.
This is how the loop and the lead vocal sound.
Yeah, I put those bitches on scene. She keep me spinning my wheel. I will not give her a wheel. Yeah, when all of her friends in the beat pull to the side of the beat, I can tell them to be weak. They keep on talking, I give them my.
Oh, the second last thing I did was add my tag, the classic Retro Be Humble.
Retro Be Humble. Yeah.
What I did last was I automated the EQ for the sample, and then in the EQ I actually introduced all of the frequencies in the sample because I muted the EQ here, and then I just let it breathe. This is how it all sounds, the outro.
Oh, call me your mama, chopping the Messiah.
So that's the song. I'm gonna play it for you guys. It's already done. I've done everything. I hope you liked. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop the like.
Yeah, I put those bitches on scene. She keep me spinning my wheel. I will not give her a wheel. Yeah, when all of her friends in the beat pull to the side of the beat, I can tell them to be weak. Yeah, yeah. you pay for the tree, yeah. Call out your mama to be, yeah. Arena, whoa, whoa. Call me your mama to bring the Messiah. To let you playing with the bonnet. All of the ornaments she wanna see, yeah. I pull up their records, I pull up their money, of money, we're fucking the fall. When they keep on talking, I give them money, and you shut them out up in the vault. 24 months in the saw, me and that bitch, we alone in